Do you love sports? Do you want to share your passion and potentially turn it into a career? Well, then starting a sports YouTube channel might be the perfect move for you. Have you ever dreamt of analyzing gameplays or interviewing athletes or creating a community of die-hard fans around your favorite sport? That's what drove me to broadcasting school many years ago, and this day and age, it's all about what you can do on YouTube. But maybe you're wondering, is it worth it? Or where do I even begin? Well, fear not, aspiring sportscasters, because in this video we'll break down 3 key reasons why starting a sports channel on YouTube is a fantastic idea. Plus, as a bonus, I'll share some handy tips to get you started. Now, let's dive into those 3 reasons why you should jump on the sports channel bandwagon. Reason number 1, the audience is huge and it's growing. Think about it, sports are a global phenomenon. Billions of people worldwide follow a particular sport or athlete with unwavering dedication. And if you take a look at channels like Dude Perfect or Howcast Sports, they've built massive followings by offering creative takes on classic sports or focusing on specific skills like trick shots or athletic training. There is a dedicated audience out there just waiting for your unique take on the games they love. You can also carve your niche and build a loyal fan base. So when you look at this channel as an example, you'll see that my old videos are all over the map in terms of experimenting with different niches. But with the sports videos, when I settled on that niche, I really wanted to recreate the sports talk radio experience that I had growing up. And you don't see that in a lot of places, not on YouTube anyway. So the idea is when you watch some of the sports videos, I'll always ask for your opinion in the comments on whatever the sports topic happens to be. Now, in this case, if you're thinking about starting a sports channel, I'd really be interested in the topic that you'd like to start the channel on. So comment on that and let's have a conversation. Oh, and if you do enjoy sports talk, you're going to want to be subscribed. Anyone growing a new YouTube channel needs all the support they can get, and I do appreciate yours. Now, here's the second good reason for you to bring your sports passion to YouTube. You can turn that passion into profit. Look, maybe you're not in it just for the love of the game, although that's definitely a plus if that's what's driving you. Did you know successful sports channels can generate income through advertising or sponsorships or even selling merchandise? Channels like Athletic Interests focus on the business side of sports. And if you pay attention, there's some valuable insights for aspiring athletes and aspiring entrepreneurs. The possibilities are endless. With enough dedication and creativity, your sports channel could become a source of income and a rewarding creative outlet. The third good reason to start a sports channel on YouTube is to become part of a community. Like I mentioned earlier, that's part of what's driving me on this channel. Sports have a way of bringing people together. Imagine creating a space where fans can discuss game strategies, celebrate victories, or commiserate over losses. It's all part of the experience, and channels like Overtime or No Dunks are good examples of this. They don't just report on sports, they actually create a platform where fans can connect and share their love for the game. Fostering that sense of belonging and connection is actually a great way to humanize your channel, which I think is a good thing in this day and age. Your viewers become more than just stats. They become part of your sports family. Now, you might still be a little bit skeptical about starting a sports channel on YouTube, and I get that. Not every channel is a success right out of the gate. Mine is a good example of that. But there are some channels that get millions of views and are making a lot of money. I've made another video on that with some great examples you can check out here next. And I want to encourage you to just get started because it's a great way to share your passion and perhaps turn your hobby into a career. You won't know unless you try. That's your bonus tip on how to get going. Just grab your camera or your phone and start. There's no better way to learn. All the best.